Anker MagGo magnetic power bank with kickstand 10,000 mAh, 20W black. The kickstand is too small to watch videos on it since it makes the phone stand up straight. The battery does get hot when charging the phone. It makes the phone hot so I only charge it when I'm indoors, which kinda defeats the purpose of charging it with the magnetic power bank. Not sure if mine has a defect, but it randomly turns on when I'm not using it and charges the phone. I only noticed it turn on when my pocket feels hot, so I leave it upside down so it doesn't charge the phone in my pocket and put it back when I need it. Do I recommend it? It's hard to say from my experience, not really. But mine might have some problems since I did buy it open.